Question number 3. Again I tell you, before watching this video, just try out this question at yourself. Okay, then here our first equation 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equals to 7. So we need to convert this equation into the standard form. Total two things we have here. We can also take LCM here. Then we can find A1, B1 and C1. Otherwise directly we can go for it, right? So first of all we use here direct method. We do not take LCM here. So first of all we can write like this 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y. Then transfer this 7 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 7 is equals to 0. Right, now compare this equation with standard form. So this is your A1, coefficient of x 3 by 2. Your B1 is equals to 5 by 3, coefficient of y. And C1 is equals to minus 7, constant term. Okay. So A1 is equals to 3 by 2, B1 is equals to 5 by 3, C1 is equals to minus 7. Okay, then second equation 9x minus 10y is equals to 14. So first of all convert this equation into standard form. So we can write like this 9x minus 10y, then transfer this 14 to the left hand side. So minus 14 is equals to 0. Okay, then compare this equation with the standard form. So this is your A2. A2 is equals to 9. B2 is equals to minus 10 and C2 is equals to minus 14. Right, constant term. A2 is equals to 9, coefficient of x. B2 is equals to minus 10, coefficient of y. C2 is equals to minus 14. Okay, we need to write this with this sign. Now we have all the values A1, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Right, so first of all find out A1 upon A2. So A1 upon A2, A1 is equals to 3 by 2, A2 is equals to 9. Now this is numerator, so numerator's denominator, it goes to the denominator, right? So here 3, this 2 comes to the denominator and 9 here, then 3 3s are. So finally in numerator we do not have anything, then 1, and in denominator 3 into 2 it's a 6. So finally 1 by 6. Right, A1 upon A2 is equals to 1 by 6. Then B1 upon B2. B1 is equals to 5 by 3 and B2 is equals to minus 10. Again this denominator comes to the denominator. So 5 here, here minus 10 and 3. Then 5 to the 10. Nothing is remaining in numerator, then it is 1. Here 3 into 2, it's a 6. And minus sign is present here, right? So finally here we have A1 upon A2 is equals to 1 by 6 and B1 upon B2 is equals to minus 1 by 6. Plus 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6, it is not same, right? So these two ratios are different, right? So we can write like this A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. If A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, then we do not need to find out the third ratio, right? Directly from here we can say that this is the unique solution. This is the condition for unique solution. So the equations, pair of linear equations are consistent because this is the condition for consistence, right? So directly we can say that these equations are consistent. So at last you need to write like this. Therefore equations have unique solution, hence they are consistent.